morning, your old buddy Big Poppa here. Hey look, some people have told me I shouldn't introduce myself. I think that's antisocial. You know, one of the things I hear the most is, what do you do with leftovers? Well, a while back, James and I made some fabulous beef cheek tacos. And I'm going to show you how to make a little leftover dish with beef cheek tacos. A bit of oil. Grab a handful of this meat. You have the fat in it, that's a great thing. And we're going to loosen it up for what we're making here, which is a breakfast burrito. Love these little scraper loaders. Quick little scramble. You know what they're missing? Hallelujah. Enthusiast, hallelujah. And over here. Here comes the fun part. Some rice. Some black beans. Some fire roasted salsa. Some scrambled eggs that I break up, make it easier to pull apart. Pickled onion. Some cilantro. We're going to save some garnish too. Generally don't like avocado in heated things, but I'm going to some nice avocado in here. Beef cheeks. Woo woo! It's hot, but I want it hot. Oh, baby! Tuck this right here. This right here. Got a little rip, but that won't matter. Now, a little fun touch I like to do when I'm doing the grill stuff. Come over here with some melted butter. Kind of a faux chimichanga I'm doing. Butter spread. Burrito on it. Square it for the camera.